In this video, I'll show you how to build an expense tracker app. Here's what I've already built, a clean, simple expense tracking web app. Right here, you can see all of my expenses tracked day by day, which is incredibly useful. Now, this isn't real data, it's just a demo. I'm still working on this version and improving it. The plan is to add a login so I can store my own data securely. But today I want to show you how to build something similar using Floot.com. As you can see, these are the February expenses since we're currently in February. Let's take a look. The total spend this month was £479. The biggest category is housing, followed by tools and subscriptions. £90 on tools. Food at £38.96. Subscriptions, transport, shopping. You can track it all, every penny in one place. Now, you can also see here an AI agent I've named Edge. I'll show you how this works. You simply type a command into Floot and it automatically updates your expenses. For example, you can say, add expense, £5, food, lunch, and it gets saved permanently. That's the power of this tool, natural language input. I've put the link in the description, and I'll pin it in the comments too so you can find it easily. If you sign up through my link, you will get 100 free credits so you can build something just like this. Now, let me show you the Floot.com dashboard. Here's the prompt I'm using: build me a personal finance dashboard that tracks income and expenses by category, shows a monthly chart, and has a clean dark mode UI. Feel free to copy or modify this prompt. Pause the video, copy the prompt, then click Build. Now we just wait a moment. Floot is generating the app right now. I'll come back once it's finished. You can see it building in real time, it just takes a minute. Give me a few moments. Alright, the build is complete, and we now have a stunning interface. This is our personal finance dashboard. We have a full expense chart here, breaking down every category. And it's already far more polished than my original version. And this section here shows all your transactions, expenses, and income. Everything in one view. It looks absolutely stunning. I love it. Now, the AI agent in the corner, that's the one I was talking about. You can tell it in plain English to add a transaction. Or, you can click Add manually. Choose income or expense, enter an amount, let's say £5. Select food and dining as the category. Set the date to today. Description is optional, I'll type something in. Now I'll click Save. And there it is, saved instantly. Let me show you where it appears in the list. There it is. And if I want to delete it, I just click Delete. Gone. You can build something exactly like this to track every expense, every transaction, every month, every quarter. You will always know exactly where your money went and where you can cut back. This kind of tool is important for everyone. If you want to build this, the link is in the description. Sign up through my link on Floot.com and you'll get 100 free credits. Build something just like this for yourself with no code required. Trust me, it will benefit you. You'll track everything and know exactly where your money is going. I'm really happy with how this turned out. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. And if you want to see more videos like this, it really motivates me to keep creating. Thank you so much and see you in the next one.